Okay, so just for everyone's FYI, this is pork chorizo. I bought it prepackaged, and it seems like there's some confusion about how to cook it. This is my first time. I've eaten it before, it's delicious, but cooking it would seem fairly easy, just like cooking regular pork sausage. I'm actually making a cheese dip tonight with two different kinds of sausage instead of ground beef. But when I started cooking the chorizo, it kind of gave me some trouble. It's going to be weird to you. Now it's starting to look done. But I have literally been cooking this, I don't know, I guess 10 or 15 minutes, and it just continued to look red and pasty and not done. And I thought, what the hell? It should be cooked by now. But it does finally start getting crumbly and a little bit brown. That is when you're going to know the chorizo is actually done, because you do not want to eat raw pork. That makes me really paranoid. So just a little short FYI for everybody. Yes, this is my first time cooking chorizo. I'm going to put it in some great cheese dip tonight. And so don't get too concerned if it looks red and pasty and gooey. Just keep cooking it. And it will get crumbly. Just one second, hold on. And it will get crumbly and brown. And that is when you'll know that it is done. Because I didn't think it was ever going to start looking like little sausage balls. And now it is. Finally. Because it looks red and pasty forever. And it wasn't very much. That's a little tiny 9-ounce. But that is not even a pound. Turn it off then. That is not even a pound. That's 9 ounces. And so I would have thought that would have cooked very quickly. But anyway, all right, you guys, there it is. Crumbly brown chorizo that will be added to the cheese dip shortly. So, because I looked it up on Google. People are asking on Reddit. They're asking all over the internet. Seems like I'm not the only one that is confused when cooking chorizo for the first time. It just keeps looking red and pasty. So finally, and I didn't have a meat thermometer. You want pork to be 150, 160. Hold on, no.